Welcome class. In our previous video, we have read about the degree of comparison. So let us revise what was the degree of comparison. Degree of comparison when two or more nouns or pronouns are compared. So when the two or more nouns or pronouns were being compared with each other on the basis of the scale of degree. So the comparison was known as degree of comparison. So the three degree of comparison of adjective were positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. So positive degree was when an adjective is being indicating a specific quality of a noun or pronoun when there was no comparison done between two objects or person. Only it describes a single person or a thing. So that degree was known as positive degree. So Dr. Rao is fit. No comparison is being done here. It is only defining about Dr. Rao. So here it is an example of positive degree. What was comparative degree? Comparative degree was a degree of adjective which was used to compare two person or thing. When there was a comparison between two person or thing, the adjective was known as in comparative degree. The adjective is known to be in the comparative degree. And the comparison was done between two noun or pronoun. And always the word than is always used in the sentence used in the comparative degree. Whenever we write a sentence in comparative degree, the word than is always used in that form of comparison. Like Mr. Vikas is taller than Mr. Rajiv. Here a comparison between Mr. Vikas and Mr. Rajiv is being done because both of them are noun and both of them are person. So the comparison is being done between Mr. Vikas and Mr. Rajiv and both are person, and the word than is also present in the sentence. So this sentence is in comparative degree. Now we will come to superlative degree. Superlative degree means what? When we use an adjective to compare more than two person or thing. So superlative degree is used when more than two persons are described and a comparison between them is done. So superlative degree is a degree of adjective when more than two person or thing is being compared. It is done between noun and pronoun. And always the word the is placed before the superlative degree. See here, Kriti is the smartest girl in the class. Here a comparison between the class and Kriti is being done, and smartest is the superlative degree and the word the is always placed before the superlative degree. So the sentence is in superlative degree. So now today we will start formation of comparative and superlative. The common rules to form comparative and superlative degree of adjective from positive degree are. Here some rules are given to form comparative and superlative degree from the positive degree. How we will convert the positive degree into comparative and superlative degree. See, number 1. For the adjectives ending with E, R is added to form the comparative degree and ST to form the superlative degree. So, here see, wide, large, this all ends with E. So, only R is added to comparative degree and EST is added to superlative degree. Same is being done with large. R is added to comparative degree and EST is being added to superlative degree. So adjectives which end with E, always in that adjective in comparative degree we will add R, and in superlative degree we will add ST. Now we will come to point number 2. For the adjectives and ending with a consonant and a vowel just before it, the last letter consonant is doubled and ER and EST are added to form comparative and superlative degree. So in this adjective hot, it is a adjective. It is ending with a consonant T, and O is a vowel which is just before T, and O is a vowel and T is a consonant. So the consonant here it is doubled and ER is added. Here the consonant double T is doubled and EST is added. So remember, whenever an adjective ends with a consonant with a vowel before it, we will double the consonant and put ER in the comparative degree, and we will double the consonant and we will put EST in the superlative degree. Same is done with thin, fat, big, tall. So clear from this that adjective that are ending with consonant with a vowel just before it, the last letter is doubled, the last letter that is the consonant is doubled, and ER is being put in the comparative degree and EST is being put in the superlative degree. Now come to point number 3. For the adjectives ending with Y and preceded by a consonant, the Y is changed into I and ER and EST are added to form the comparative and superlative degree. Here, see the adjective Mary. It is ending with Y and R is just before Y, which is a consonant. So, in comparative degree, Y will be replaced by I and ER will be added. And in superlative, Y will be replaced by I and EST will be added to the superlative degree. So this will go only when the adjective is ending with Y and a consonant is being present just before Y. So this case will go when Y is in the end and in before there is a consonant. So same goes with noisy, healthy, easy, heavy. Now we will come to point 4. For the adjectives ending with Y and the vowel just before it, only ER and EST must be added to form the comparative and superlative degree respectively. So when the adjective is ending with Y and a vowel is being placed just before Y, we will add ER to the comparative degree and EST to the superlative degree. So remember, when the word is ending with Y and a vowel is being placed before Y, so we will add only ER to the comparative degree and EST to the superlative degree. Now come to point 5. For the adjectives with 2 or more syllables, more and most are used before the positive degree to form comparative and superlative degree. So when the adjectives are of 2 syllables, see the example, use full. It is made up of 2 syllables. First syllable is use and second syllable is full. So in this case we will just add more and most to the word. In same manner, it is suit, able, interesting, famous and wonderful. So same goes with these words also. The last point is degree of some adjectives are changed irregularly. So in some cases the word is directly changed into the other words, like good. It is directly changed into better and at last best. So there are some words which are changed irregularly. No more, most or ER, EST is being added. It is just changing the words. So students, today we have completed chapter 7. Your homework is to go through each and every points of superlative and comparative degree. In our next video, we will start the next chapter. So students, that's all for today. Thank you.